how to change Google search country. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome and then you'll find three vertical dots on the top right. Tap on it, scroll down and tap on settings. Now here, go ahead and tap on languages on the left hand side, and then you'll find prefer languages option. So you'll have to tap on the three dots. If you want to remove English, hit remove and then go to add languages option, and then you can choose the language that you want. You can even search for the languages right here. I'm going to search for Nepali. Once you find it, tap on it and then now tap on add. Now that's it. Now your search language will also be changed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.